Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to join a meeting on Google Meet. Do you need to join a meeting on Google Meet using your browser? All right, so whether you're joining from an invite link, a meeting code, or right inside your Google account, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide which will walk you through every detail using the Google Meet web interface. So first, you need to launch your preferred web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I'm currently using Chrome. In the address bar, just go ahead and type meet.google.com, and that's going to walk you right in here. So sign in with your Google account. If prompted, you must be logged in to join meetings. On the main page, you'll see two main options at the center. You have new meeting, which is used for creating meetings, and you have enter a code or link. This is where you join a meeting. So what you're going to do is to click on enter a code or link text field. Once you click on that, paste the meeting link. And once you paste the meeting link, just go ahead and click on the join button, which is going to be activated next to the field. You don't need to type the whole URL, just the meeting code works. Now, if this is your first time, okay, so you can either paste a link or you can paste the code, anyone. So if this is your first time using Google Chrome or Google Meet rather on the browser, you may get a pop-up asking to allow access to your microphone and camera. So click on allow on both to ensure you're visible and audible during the call. So once you're done, you will land on the ready to join preview screen. Turn your camera on or off using the camera icon. You can also mute or unmute your mic using the mic icon. So click on the gear at the top right to test or change your audio or video settings. This is pretty much optional. Take a second to make sure everything looks cool and sounds good. So once you're done, click the join now button to enter the meeting room. If the host has enabled a meeting room, or if you are not on the organization's list, you may see a message like ask to join. So click it and wait for the host to let you in. If your meeting was scheduled via Google Calendar, open Google Calendar, click the scheduled event in the calendar, hit the join with Google Meet button inside the event window, and you'll be taken straight to the preview screen that I have previously mentioned. And that's it. You're now ready to confidently join any Google Meet session like a pro. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.